What's up guys, it's your girl Rochelle back at it again with another YouTube video. So for today's video, it's gonna be another vlog. I just really enjoy filming these, wow. I really enjoy filming these videos. They're some of my favorite to watch. Vlogs are just like the shit. I don't know. I love them. Just gonna be vlogging today. We have like a couple fun things planned. That's why I decided to vlog. We started out this morning by going to the gym, which I'll insert a clip of some footage I took from the gym. I didn't take this footage today. I think I took it yesterday actually. So this isn't from today, but I did the same exact thing at the gym. So I'll insert that clip here. Made it, and there's literally nobody here. So excited I can vlog in peace. So I'm gonna do her 12-3-30 treadmill routine. So yeah, I wanted to try out the Lauren Geraldo workout. She does like this 12-3-30, which is incline of 12, speed of 3 for 30 minutes. And I've been doing it for a couple days now, and I can honestly say I really love it. How would you rate it?
Easy.
Yeah, right, you were sweating your ass off too. It was pretty difficult, but I did really like it, so I'm probably gonna keep doing that as like a warm-up for like my other stuff. But
warm up,
yeah, it's like a great warm-up. So that's what we did this morning. We started off our morning by going to the gym, and now we're heading over to our friend's house to get some lunch. They got this cute little puppy. Her name's Roxy. She kind of looks like a mini Aston. Like she looks like
a fox.
Or a fox. Yeah, she looks like our dog Aston, the golden retriever, but like a miniature version of him. And she's like the true coloring of like a golden retriever. Growing up, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but the reason why golden retrievers are some of my favorite dogs is because I grew up with like 7 of them when I was really little, when my parents were still together. And I used to ride them like horses and stuff because I was that little. I've just always really loved the golden retriever, not breed. I've always loved the golden retriever breeds just because they're really good dogs. So I think that Roxy kind of looks like a miniature golden retriever. The weather is crazy right now. We're not letting it stop us. We're going to this little restaurant that's on the water, which I'm excited about. I'm starving. I also did my own nails. I'm taking a break on getting my nails done because first of all, I have all the equipment to do it myself. So I need to stop being lazy. And I just need to do it myself. I have like dip powder, I have gel, I have the lamp. Like I literally have a whole ass setup, but I'm just too lazy to like take the time and do it. So I'm really pushing myself to start doing it because it's just like a waste of money. But I did get my toes done because I like getting my toes done. I like the massage chair, I like the scrubs they use. Like I just like the whole experience. So we're taking baby steps. I'm gonna start by doing my nails at home, and then I'll gradually be able to do my toes, hopefully. That's the goal. By the way, I hope you don't mind the iPhone vlog. I left my camera at home, but I still wanted to vlog today. If you hate this quality, I'm sorry. It won't always be like that, I promise. Cave. I don't think we're gonna be able to do this. Regardless, Riley and I are just gonna chill at the top. Yeah, we'll be the ones who call 911 when shit goes south. Oh god.
He's like, wow. I'm just visiting, man. I don't know.
This is our plan all along.
Alright. Yeah, this is where my living be staying, right? Yeah.
That's actually your room.
Yeah. Great view, man. What is that thing?
Logan.
We could totally do
Easily could, because there's a path right there that goes all the way to the other one.
so simple once you get down this first part.
Oh yikes.
You guys come in.
Wait, if you go that way and down. Oh, I see the path right there.
Please be careful.
Oh, I'm good.
Are you gonna be able to?
Get you, bro.
Another path over here too. So simple.
You're on the path? He goes.
This shit's sick.
Oh, you guys fucking coming or no? Are you in there or what? Come on, dude. That's a sketch though. No. I can get to that one. Should we just go down? We just kind of like go here. Dude, it's not that hard.
Wait, I want to see on that side, yeah.
I mean, I could easily just get it.
Oh, hey, bro. What's up, dude? Your pussy's coming? Just don't die. It was the same way for me. You just have to walk, you know?
Yeah, but once you get going, if you don't stop.
Oh, babe.
Well, if we go this way, bro, this looks a little bit more safe, not gonna lie.
I hope you can hear everything on my phone. Okay, so it is officially raining. Fuck this. We are not cut out for this shit. It's literally pouring.
All right, guys.
Time to go back.
A little hard.
Coming down a little
Do I at
hard.
least have the keys?
I can't breathe.
It's a little too much for me right now.
Hopefully we survive. My hair.
Looking
Shit, this is the best I've ever looked.
Careful coming back up.
Yeah, it's pouring. It's pouring. Are you okay? You survived?
Survived.
Was it cool? Was there anything crazy?
We're gonna have to go home before we do anything else.
I know.
Oh man.
Look at Riley.
Look at my shoes, bro. They're fucked.
Yeah, dude.
Long day to wear the icy whites.
Oh gosh. Okay, so I literally got soaked from that. We all got soaking wet from that.
dirty.
We're dirty. Look at my sleeve. It was a bad day to wear white. I did not know that we were gonna be doing that, so I definitely should have worn something a little bit different, but it's fine. We're gonna head back home, clean up, dry off, get warm. It's crazy the things you don't realize that exist when you don't go and look for them.
Do shit.
Yeah, if we never went down there, we would have never known that existed. I don't know, it's just crazy. It makes you think what else there is, you know? Like what else are we missing? Probably a lot. But some of our 2020 resolutions are to go and explore more. Sometimes you can get so caught up in work and school and your own personal things that you forget to like go and do shit and like enjoy life to the fullest, you know? I don't know. I feel like I'm preaching now and I don't mean to do that. But we're gonna head back home, dry off. He's still coughing. I started coughing. I swear if I get sick, I'll be pretty mad.
Oh, nice.
So today is currently the next day. We got some snacks. I got these organic dried mangoes. These are really, really good. And he got coconut. Ugh. Personally, I feel like eating anything coconut it makes me think that I'm eating suntan lotion. Like anyone else? Could just be me. And then we also got some chocolate banana bread. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday because it was pretty chill. We just hung out with my family towards the end of the night, but we ended up having a pretty rough night. I had to take Aston to the hospital because he was really, really sick. He started like projectile shitting all over the place and also projectile vomiting. So poor boy, he was like shaking all night. He was laying on the bed right next to me and I could just feel his body shaking. And then we took him outside, and as soon as we took him outside, he just started projectile pooping literally everywhere. It's a little TMI, sorry. But so we were up all night dealing with that. Poor boy. He's feeling a lot better now though, so he's good. Don't worry. This morning is when we ended up taking him to the hospital. But now we are gonna head over to Ikea. We have to get a dresser because since our closet in our new place is a lot smaller than our old one, we need a lot more storage. So we're gonna get a dresser for our bedroom and just use that as our TV stand kind of, because the TV stand we have in there right now, I honestly hate it. Like I hate the color, I just hate it. We got it from Walmart for really inexpensive, but it's time to get rid of it. All right, so we're back home now, and I just really quickly wanted to do like a little mini Sephora haul. Sorry if the background is a complete mess. I have to like do laundry and all this stuff, so disregard that. But I recently went to Ulta and Sephora. I only got a couple things from Ulta. Got more stuff from Sephora, so I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly. First thing that I got from Ulta, which it has honestly changed my life and I didn't think it would. This is so much better than spending $20 on a beauty blender. It like works the same, if not better. If you haven't tried the e.l.f. beauty sponge, definitely do that. Also from Ulta, I picked up an eye cream because I had been needing one for a while. So I just got the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. This is like a really nice, thick eye cream, which I personally like thick eye creams. I really have been loving this. So from Sephora, I picked up another First Aid Beauty moisturizer. Sorry if you hear that. Let me close the window maybe. So I also picked up a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Moisturizing Cream. This stuff is my favorite. I was able to get this with my Sephora points, but I got this Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrating Glow Dream Mask. I haven't actually tried this out yet, but I'm really excited to. I've only heard good things about Youth to the People, so I've always wanted to try them out. Sorry if my baby hairs are looking crazy. They have a mind of their own. Like, I can't even control my baby hairs anymore. Okay, and then lastly, I picked up 2 makeup products. I got the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. This palette is actually beautiful. So it has 3 glitter shades and 2 matte shades. So far, I've really been loving this. And then the second and last makeup product that I picked up was this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I got this in the lightest shade because I'm pretty pale. I think this might be a little too light for me, but I haven't even touched this yet, but it just looks like that. I've heard good things about the NARS one, which is why I wanted to try this out, so I'm really excited for this. I also got a pair of shoes. I haven't bought myself a pair of shoes in a really long time. I went to Steve Madden and I saw these shoes and they're so cute. I honestly thought I would hate the way they looked on me. I think they're gonna look really cute for the summer too. So yeah, so I picked up some shoes as well. I never get shoes, so I had to share that. Zach finally put together the dresser and it looks so good. We got some like organizers too from Ikea to put like separate things in there. These 3 are gonna be Zach's and then these 3 are going to be mine, but it looks really good. We were gonna get a gray one, but I'm really happy we got the white one. Binky. Hi, Binky. Here's a little sick boy. He's feeling a little bit better now. I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.